Hi everyone, my name is Lydia and this is what I wish they taught me about econometrics and introduction. In the previous video, we have introduced Model 1, the level model, Model 2, the log level model, where the difference that happened was we went from a y in units to a ln y while we kept the x in units. In this video, we're going to introduce a third model, which is going to be the level log model. The log level as well as the level log model are both semi-elasticity models. The way that we're going to write model 3 is y is going to be back in units, so y equals to beta 0 plus beta 1. Now the change that it is going to happen is that we have ln of x instead of x. So y went back to levels, ln of x now is the one that takes that log part. So what does intuitively measure this beta 1 in this particular case then? Recall from the little video that we introduced in between the intuition and the mathematical derivation for the log level model. We saw from that video that any changes in ln of x were approximately delta x over x, meaning a change in ln of x corresponds to a percentage change in x, okay? Which means if ln of x increases by 0.01, that's approximately a 1% increase in x, okay? So then what is the interpretation rule then? In the level log model, the interpretation will be as follows. A 1% increase in x changes y or is associated with a change in y, so changes y by approximately beta 1 over 100 units. Okay? Because keep in mind in here, what we mean by the 0.01, it's literally as saying 1 over 100. So that's why by approximately beta 1 over 100 units. This is the core interpretation. And if you notice a little bit of a parallel between the log and the level and level log model is that the log is the one that's always taking that percentage part with it in the interpretation of the coefficient. So let's make it a little bit more concrete. If, let's say, you have a beta 1 that you have estimated as 50, then a 1% increase in x is associated, on average, with an increase in y by approximately 0.01 times 50, which is equal to 0.5. And again here, units. Because remember, in the level log, the y is back in units. And the percentage now only is going to stick to the x. And that's why we have here 1% increase in x, but for the y, we have it in units. Okay. Now, the effect of a 1% increase in x is constant. But if you had like a 10 unit increase in x, does not have then that does not have a constant effect because percentage changes depend on the starting level. Okay, so keep in mind that most of the times here in OLS, what we're going to assume is that you will always have constant responses to percentage changes in X. This is just a little bit of an intuition, and mostly because most of the times whenever you're doing OLS, you are assuming that you have a constant effect. Okay. So once again, in a level log model, a 1% increase in X changes Y by approximately beta 1 over 100 units. In the next video, we'll derive this formally, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.